Today's class will be on anatomical terminologies related to bone. First will be terminologies related to attachments. Tubercle means small rounded projection. A small rounded projection is called tubercle. A large rounded projection is called tuberosity. Crest means it's a narrow prominent ridge. Okay, it's a narrow prominent ridge is called crest. Okay, prominent ridge. So when it is smaller than this dimension, then we call it as narrow ridge of bone which is less than that of the crest. So smaller ridge, prominent ridge is called line. Then trochanter means a larger irregular bony projection. Already we have seen a tubercle which is a small rounded projection, large rounded projection, and trochanter is the large irregular bony projection. Okay. Condyle means it's articulate surface. Epicondyle means above the articular surface. Spine means sharp pointed projection. Spine means pointed projection. Okay, when it is rounded projection, then we call it as process. Okay, styloid process. Okay, then we will be seeing about the joint related terminologies. Ramus means any bony structure which forms an angle with a body, you call it as ramus. It's a slender, it is less than slender than the process, but it forms an angle with the main body. For example, ramus of the mandible. Next is malleolus. Malleolus means it's a hammer like. Then condyle. Condyle is articular rounded surface. Condyle of mandible. Head means projection from the narrow neck of the head of the condyle, we saw. So whenever it is projecting from the narrow neck, the rounded projection which forms the joint, we call it as head. Facet means a flat articular surface. Flat articular surface we call it as facet. Okay. Then we will be seeing about the sinuses. Sinuses related terminologies. Sinus means it's a hollow curve. Sinus means some empty cavity. Okay, hollow curved channel. It's a cavity. We call it as sinus. Maxillary sinus, frontal sinus. It's an air-filled cavity. Foramen means it's just a hole through which some vasculature and nerve fibers will pass through. So it's just a perforation or hole. Okay. Meatus means it's like a passage. It's like a passage. It is also like a passage. So auditory meatus, external auditory meatus, internal auditory meatus. It's a passage of bone. This is duct. Okay. Duct means it's a channel like tube like structures are called canals. And fissure means when there is a cleft or a slit, you call it as fissure. Okay. Next we will be seeing about the depression in the bone. How we will see. When the depression is small, we call it as fovea. Whenever it is large and deep, we call it as fossa. When it is moon shape, we call it as notch. Okay.